this is how to sell as a Forex trader, whether you're a beginner or a professional. Now, the first thing you do is when you open the chart and you look and you see that there's actually a current trend. Yeah, right now we are going to be placing a sell and you see exactly when to sell. Yeah, we zoom into the 4-hour time frame. The first thing you need to do is to confirm the current trend of the market. Here it was an uptrend and then it broke a structure indicating a downtrend and then it took to the downtrend. You know, because there is a lot of lower lows that it broke. It went very deep, okay? Yeah, so here we know that this has been a downtrend, but we need to sell. And at what point do you place that sell so that you don't get swiped out during the grab of liquidity? Now we zoom to the 1-hour time frame. You see that there are also formations and it is a perfect downtrend. In the 15 minutes time frame, it is also a perfect downtrend. And then in the 5 minutes, it is also a downtrend. Now, this is the reason why we placed a sell. Now, having seen that it has been a downtrend all through, but now you needed to place a particular sell, and then you see on the 4-hour time frame that there was a downtrend, okay? So when do you place this sell so that when there will be a correction, you will not lose your money? Because you see this particular candle here, this candle indicates that there was a correction. Now let me explain what correction is, because in this particular video we are using the ICC strategy. The moment there is an indication that the price is selling, that is going downside, that is on downtrend, it is the right time to sell. And now you don't just sell because it's on downtrend, because you place a sell when price is up so that when it comes down, you make even more profit, okay? Now, the particular small green candle that show on the 4-hour time frame shows that the market was actually making a correction, because this market is full of buyers and sellers, right? Yeah, so even though the trend is a downtrend, even though the sellers is in control of the market, even though the market is bearish, you don't just say, okay, let me just sell at any point. Because at that point you are selling. If you are not selling at the right time, it could be a moment where small buyers that are available will start buying and the price will start going up and you're going to hit stop loss. So that is why it's important to now find out, okay, since I want to sell because the market is on downtrend, I need to find a perfect entry so that I will make profit. Here we see on this 4-hour time frame, and then even in the 1 minute time frame, on all time frames, it is actually a downtrend. And now we see that there is a lot of ups and downs. So we are looking for when to sell, especially if we have a small account. So we saw on the 30 minutes, there was a break of structure. The market is on downtrend. And for this small account, we cannot just come in and place a sell here. So we needed to add up something to the balance here. So what we do is we get to the chart and find out where to place this sell so that you understand why I place this sell that is about to hit take profit. So I first of all set the lot size. The lot size for a small account like $100 must be 0.01, okay? So that you don't risk more than 3% of your account. And now, to now place a perfect entry on sell, we see that the market has been on downtrend. Now we look for a point where there was an uptrend and at a time that uptrend was broken on the lower time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, for instance, we can see here this bullish engulfing candle broke all the structures of the sellers. This means that people were selling, and at a point, buyers stormed into the market and grabbed a lot of liquidity, and then sellers then took